So, ang gusto nung mga tao mo na sundin ka sa trabaho, first you wanna show self-respect. Okay? So, teach them how to have self-respect sa sarili nila rather than self-love. Kasi primarily kailangan mo ng self-respect first before self-love. Anong ibig sabihin? So kung may self-respect ka sa sarili mo, you have boundaries, okay? You have rules that they should follow. So kung ako, meron akong self-respect sa sarili ko and somebody had gone beyond nung boundary ko or didn't follow the rules I've implemented, then they don't show respect sa akin, which most likely they don't love me neither.